Hammaga assalomu alaykum. Bugun sizlar bilan reading yashil kitobimizni 3-testini ko'ramiz. 3-testimizda the Kakapo, I don't know how to pronounce this word, but it is the name of the bird. Qushning nomi ekan. Mana shu qush haqida mana shu tekstda o'rganib chiqamiz. So let's look. The kakapo are solitary birds and tend to occupy the same home range for many years. Yolg'iz yashaydigan qush ekan va tend to occupy moyilligi bor ekan bitta joyda yashash uchun. Occupy degani yashamoq, the same home bitta joyda yashashni odatlangan ekan. Ko'p yillar davomida o'sha yerda yashar ekan. They forage on the ground and climb high into trees. They often leap from trees and flap the wings, but at best manage a controlled descent to the ground. Forage. What does it mean? Forage. Let's look. Forage. Shunaqa so'z edi. Ozuqa qidirar ekan. Like forage on the ground. Yerdan ozuqa qidirar ekan va daraxtlarga tirmashar ekan. They often leap from trees. Ular daraxtlardan sakrab yurar ekan. Flap the wings va qanotlarini yoyar ekan. Flap degani qanotini qoqmoq degani. And at best manage control descent to the ground. Lekin debdi u eplay olar ekan yerga qo'nishni. They are entirely vegetarian with their diet including the leaves. Vegetarian ekan bu qushimiz va poyni yeydigan narsalari leaves, barglar, roots, ildizlar and bark of trees va daraxtlarning shoxlari ekan, as well as the bulbs. I don't know what does it mean, bulbs. Piyozcha o'simlik ildizi ekan. Bulbs degani o'simlik ildizi ekan. So bulbs and fronds, mayli sal yaxshi ko'rinmay qoldi. Mana shu joyi fronds. Kakapo breed in summer. Breed degani ko'paymoq degani. Yozda ko'payar ekan va autumn kuzda ko'paygan. But only in years when the food is plentiful bo'lsa kerak. Yaxshi ko'rinmay qolibdi-da. Plentiful. Lekin debdi mana summer bilan autumnda ko'paysa debdi. Breed degani mana yoz qo'yilib juda ko'p yaxshi so'z keladi mana shu. Boshqa tekstlarda ham keladi. But only in years ko'payar ekan faqatgina yillarda qachonki ozuqa ko'p bo'lsa. Males play no part in incubation. Inkubatsiyada erkaklar umuman rol o'ynamasga or chick rearing yoki debdi bolalarni boqishda. Rear deganda boqish ma'nosida keladi. Females alone incubate eggs. Ayollari faqatgina o'zi inkubatsiya qilar ekan. Incubate deganda menimcha o'sha tuxum yetishtiradi. Incubate tuxum ochadi degan ma'no incubate. Inkubatsiya degan o'sha tuxum issiq tutish. Inkubatsiya ma'no. It's true. Tuxumni worm saqlash uchun. Hop. Eggs and feed the chicks. Bolalarga ham o'zi qarar ekan ayollar. The 1 and 4 eggs are laid in soil. Tuproqqa tuxum qo'yar ekan. 1tadan 4tagacha, which is repeatedly turned over before and during incubation. Inkubatsiyadan oldin va inkubatsiya davrida o'sha tuxumlar tez repeatedly degani takroran aylantirib turilar ekan. The female kakapo has to spend long periods ko'p vaqtini sarflash kerak ekan away from the nest. O'zini nestidan uzoqda ko'p vaqtini sarflar ekan. Nima uchun? Searching for food. Ovqat topish uchun ekan. Which leaves the unattended eggs and chicks particularly vulnerable to predators. Vulnerable degan so'z bor, zaif degani. Predators degani anolarga, yirtqichlarga degan ma'noda. Hop, ovqat izlagani ketar ekan-u, bir necha uzoq davom etib to'xtaylar. Ayollari ko'p vaqtini uyidan uzoqda vaqtini o'tkazar ekan ovqat topish uchun. qaysiki tuxumlarini va bolalarini tashlab ketar ekan zaif holda qanolaga. Predators hozir nima dedim esimdan chiqib qoldi. Predators esimdan chiqib qoldi o'zbekcha tarjimasi. Yirtqich hayvonlarga juda zaif holda tashlab ketar ekan. Before humans arrived, odamlar kelishdan oldin Kakapo were common throughout New Zealand forest. New Zealand o'rmonlarida juda ham keng tarqalgan ekan. However, this all changed with the arrival of the first Polynesian settlers about 700 years ago. Bu narsa o'zgaribdi 700 yil oldin birinchi poloneziyalik odamlar kelgan paytda deb aytadi. For the early settlers, birinchi kelgan odamlar uchun the flightless kakapo was easy prey. Wow. Qush ucha olmas ekanda, boya aytdi, sakrab yurar ekan. Prey degani o'lja degani. Birinchi kelgan odamlar uchun mana shu qush juda ham osongina o'lja bo'lgan ekan. Yeganda ular. They ate its meat, go'shtini yegan, used its feathers qaraydi. Patlarini foydalanibdi to make soft cloaks. Let's look cloaks. What does it mean? Cloak. Kiyimlar yasagan ekan. Cloaks. With them came to Polynesia dog and rat. Ular bilan mana odamlar bilan debdi, kuchi bilan kalam juda kelgan ekan. Which also preyed a kakapo. Qaysiki yana shu kakapo qushiga o'lja sifatida qaragan ekan, like yeganda. By the time European colonizer arrived, kelganicha in the early 18th, kakapo had become confined to the central North Island and forest part of the South Island. Mana shu joylarga chegaralangan bo'lgan ekan Yevropaliklar kelgandan oldin. Confined degan chegaralangan degani. North Island shimoliy orol bilan forested part of South Island janubiy orolning o'rmonli qismlarida bo'lgan ekan. Confined o'sha joygacha chegaralangan ekan. The following kakapo number was accelerated degani tezlashdi by European colonization. Fall degani mana yo'qolishi. Kakapo qushini yo'qolishi soni tezlashibdi Yevropaliklar kelganida. A great deal of habit was lost through forest clearance. Tabiat yo'qolibdi o'rmonda yo'qolishi orqali. And introduced species va turlar taqdim etilibdi, such as deer, bug'alar. Deer depleted the remaining forests on foot. Depleted kamaymoq degani. Deer depleted. Kamaymoq degani. The deer depleted the remaining forests of foot. Off makan nima ekan aytdi, on foot makan. Shu joylari sal bo'lib qolibdi. Mana shu bug'u ham o'rmondagi qolgan manaqa bo'lgan ekanda. Species such as deer introduced species boshqa turdagi hayvonlar ham kelibdi. Misol uchun deb aytibdi, bug'u debdi. Bug'u kelishi o'rmondagi boshqa ozuqalarni yeb qo'yibdi, qushnikini yeb qo'yganda. Other predators such as cats, boshqa hayvonlar, yirtqich hayvonlar, qaysiki mushuklar, status and two more species of rat, kalamushning ikkita turi ham were also introduced kelgan ekan. The kakapo were in serious trouble. Juda ham katta muammoda bo'lgan ekan. Let's continue. In 1894, the New Zealand government launched its first attempt to save the kakapo conservation. Richard Henry led an effort to relocate several hunts of birds to predator-free Resolution Island in Fireland. Hukumat boshlabdi birinchi harakatlarini Kokopani qutqarish uchun. Richard Henry ularga boshchilik qildi. Led an effort. Harakatlarga boshchilik qildi. To relocate several hundreds of birds. Qushlarni boshqa joyga o'zgartirmoqchi bo'libdi. Relocate degani joyini o'zgartirish degani. To predator free. Yirtqich hayvonlardan toza joylarga o'zgartirmoqchi bo'libdi. Joyini o'zgartirmoqchi bo'libdi. Qaysiki Fairyland degan joyga. O'sha joyga o'zgartirmoqchi bo'libdi. Unfortunately, baxtga qarshi, the island didn't remain predator free. Stoats arrived within 6 years. Stoats qaysidir hayvon turida, shuni ham bitta ko'rib olamiz. Stoats. Hayvon aka, I don't know how to say it in Uzbek. Mana shu hayvon turi ham 6 yil davom etdi and eventually destroying the Kokopo population. Ana o'zgartirgani joyini, o'sha joyga ham debdi, mana shu stoatslar kelibdi va oxir oqibat buzib yuboribdi. Kokopo population buzibdi. Mana shu qushni aholisi sonini. By the mid-19th, 1900-yilda o'rtalarida the Kokopo was particularly a lost species, yo'qolib borgan tur bo'lgan ekan. Only a few clung to life in the most isolated parts of island. Ozginalari qolibdi. Isolated parts of New Zealand. New Zealandning isolated degani yolg'iz qolgan, mana ajralib qolgan orollaridagina yashagan ekan bir nechta turlari, bir nechta sonlari. From 1949 to 1973, the newly formed New Zealand Wildlife Service made over 60 expeditions to find Kokopo, focusing mainly on Fairyland. Ekspeditsiya o'tkazibdi mana shu qushni topish uchun. Bagi tezlashamiz. 12 o'tdi. 6 were caught, oltitasi ushlandi, but there were no female among them. Ayollarni topolmadi. And all but one died, bitta o'libdi with a few months of captivity. Tutqunlikda degan. Captivity yaxshi so'z, qayta keladi. Tutqunlikda bir nechtasi o'libdi. In 1974, a new initiative was launched. Initiative da yozib qo'yilgan. Shu yaxshi so'z. Yangi qarorlar boshlanishibdi. By 1977 joriy qilibdi. Launched deganda endi bu yerda joriy qilibdi degan ma'noda. More Kokopo were found. 18 dan ko'p Kokopolar topilibdi, o'sha qush turlari Fairylandda. However, there were still no females. Ayollarni topolmadi. In 1977, a large population of males was spotted. Katta turdagi erkaklari topilibdi, endi Rakura degan joyda. A large island free from stoats. Boyaga hayvon bor edi. Stoatsdan yiroqda bo'lgan orolda ko'p turini topishgan ekan erkaklarini. Ferrets degani bu ham anavi. Papugay nima edi o'zbek tilida? O'sha. And weasels, I don't know what's this. Bu ham shu boyaga hayvon turi ekan, weasel. Bir xil ekan. Stoats, weasels. There were about 200 individuals, and in 1980 it was confirmed females were also present. 1980-yilda 200 tasi bor ekan va 200 tasini topishgan ekan individuals va ularning ichida ayollar ham bo'lgan ekan. These birds have been the foundation of all subsequent work in naming the species. Mana shu qushlar yordam berishgan ekan turni saqlab qolishga. Keyingi ishlarda yordam berdi mana shu turni saqlab qolish uchun. Unfortunately, predation by feral catslarning on Rakura Island led to a rapid decline. Feral catlar Rakura oroliga kelganda va u rapid decline ga sabab bo'ldi Kokoponi soniga. Rapid decline, ma'lumki sizlar bilasizlar. As a result, during Natijada 1980 the surviving population was evacuated to 3 island sanctuaries. Boshqa orollarga evakuatsiya qilinibdi. Ko'chirilibdi deganda. Coldfish Island, Mide Island and Little Bear Islandlarga jo'natilibdi. However, breeding success was hard to achieve. Ko'paytirish qiyinchilik, bu qushlarni ko'paytirish juda ham qiyin bo'lgan ekan. Rats were found to be a major predator of kakapo chicks and an insufficient number of chicks survived to offset adult mortality. Mana kalamushlar juda ham eng major predator yirtqich hayvon bo'lgan ekan. Asosiy yirtqich hayvon bo'lgan ekan, qaysiki mana shu qushni bolalariga zarar yetkazgan. Va qushlari ham, bolachalari ham o'libdi. By 1995, although at least 12 chicks had been produced on the island. 12 tagina, eng kamida 12 ta bolalari tirik qolgan ekan, survived. Only 3 had survived. 3 tasigina tirik qolibdi, 12 ta jo'ja ochgan o'sha orolda. The kakapo population had dropped to 51, 51 taga tushibdi. The critical situation prompted an urgent review of kakapo management in New Zealand. Bu keskin vaziyat prompted undabdi an urgent review. Zudlik bilan qilinadigan boshqaruvga undabdi New Zealanddagi. Aholi, government, hukumat tezda nimadir chora ko'rish kerakligiga undabdi. In 1996, a new recovery plan was launched. Yangi recovery plan, qutqarish plani boshlanibdi. Together with a specialist advisory group. Specialist called the Kakapo Scientific and Technical Advice Committee and higher amount of funding. Mana shunaqa nomdagi specialistlar jalb qilingan ekanda. Renewable steps were taken. Yangi qadamlar olinib to control predators on the 3 islands. 3 ta orolda yirtqichlarni boshqarish bo'yicha qadamlar olinib. The cats were eradicated from Little Bear Island in 1990 and possums were eradicated from Codfish Island by 1960. Shu hayvonlar yo'qolibdi. However, the population didn't start to increase. Population o'smabdi until rats were removed. Kalamushlar olinmaguncha from all 3 islands, and the birds were more intensively managed. This involved moving the birds between islands, supplementary feeding of adults, and rescuing and hence raising any failing chicks. Odamlar o'zlari ham bolalariga mana qushni bolalarini katta qilgan ekan. After the first 5 years of recovery plan, 5 yildan keyin the population was on target. Maqsadga erishibdi mana populationi. By 2000 yaxshi ko'rinadi. Yo'q bo'lmadi. O'zi menimcha tepadagilar o'zi muammo bo'lgan ekan. Mana shu to'g'ri ekan. 5 new females had been produced. Ayollari ham yetishtirilgan ekan. And the total population had grown. O'sibdi 62 taga. For the first time, there was a cautious optimism for the future of kakapo, and by June 2020, a total of birds were recorded. 210 ta qush qolibdi. Today, kakapo management continues to be guided by kakapo recovery plan. Qush haligacha bor ekan va mana shu qush recovery plan tomonidan qo'riqlanar ekan. Its key goals are asosiy maqsadlari minimize the loss of genetic diversity in the kakapo population. Genetik xilma-xillikni yo'qolishini kamaytirish ekan buni maqsadi. Restore or maintain sufficient habitats to accommodate the expected increase in kakapo population. Mana shu qush uchun kerakli bo'ladigan tabiatda joy barpo etish ekan yana bitta maqsadi. Anoni qushni sonini ko'paytirish uchun. And to ensure degani ta'minlash. Stakeholders continue to be fully engaged in the preserving of the species. Stakeholder. I know. I don't know how to say it in Uzbek. Manfaatdor tashkilotlar uchun. Okay, I think you understood. I don't know how to say it. Continue to be fully engaged in the qutqarishdi bu. Qutqarishni yana asosiy maqsad qilib qopti mana shu hayvon turini. Fully engaged degani to'liq holda o'z o'z hammani jalb qilish ekan, mana shu stakeholderlarni jalb qilish ekan bu turni qutqarish uchun. Okay, let's look. The first one, that consists of a type of parrot that consists of fruit, various parts of the tree, and part of a tree. Daraxtni qismlarini yer ekan. Foreign fruits, bark of a tree as well as bulbs, parts of a tree, various parts of tree, parts of a tree qaranglar, that consists of foreign fruits, mana foreign fruits turibdi. Various parts of a tree, barks of the tree, root, leaves, kirib ketadi, various parts of tree. And bulbs bo'lsa kerak. As well as bulbs. Bulbs, I think. Okay, let's move. Nests are created where eggs are laid. In soil, tuproqdaydi. Joyini ko'rsatib beraman. Esimda qolgan joyida. Mana, are laid in soil. Tuproqda created in, laid in. O'zi are laid ekan. Nests are created in soil where eggs are laid. Nests are created. Uylari qurilar ekan. I think it's soil. Nests are created in soil where eggs are laid. Soil bo'lsa kerak. Qayerdan kelib aytibdi? Arrival of Polynesian settlers. Polynesialik odamlarning kelishi. Feathers. Patlari boya coatedmi? Cloakedmi degan so'z bor edi. Soft cloaked one. Go'sha feathers mana. Featherlardan foydalangan ekan. Arrival of European Polynesian were an animal which they introduced to date the food source. Okay. Yevropalik Poliniziyalar kelgandan keyin nima bo'ldi? has become confined central. There kelganda, there were an animal which they introduced that ate the cocoa food sources. Deer might aytganda remaining forest of food. Remaining forests of food degani food sources ga synonim bo'ladi. Yevropaliklar kelgan. Ularga aytayotgan introduced species depleted the remaining forest. Kamaytirgan. Ko'rga e'tibor bergan bo'lsanglar, men shuni tarjimadan qilib chiqib ketyapman. Protecting cocoa. Himoya qilish ekan. Richard Henry mana bizga kerak emas ekan. Definite sighting of female cocoa on Rocky Island were reported in the year. Qaysi yilda? Yil topishimiz kerak ekan. Definite sighting. Ayollari topilgan. Nima? Confirmed female were also present. Reported ga qaranglar. Reported ga synonim bo'ladi present ga. Also present. O'sha yerda bo'lgan ekan. Confirmed ga reported. 1980. Recovery plan included an increase in recovery plan bor edi bizda. Maqsadi haqida aytgandi. Nima edi maqsadi? Uchta maqsadi bor edi. Increase in nimani ko'paytirish? Might the recovery plan was launched. Renewed steps were taken to control predators. Cats were eradicated. The population didn't start to increase until I think its recovery plan included an increase in population. Population ko'paytirish maqsadi bo'lgan. After the first 5 years of recovery plan, the population was on target. On target, maqsadi bo'lgan bo'ladi. Included an increase. Recovery plan included an increase when population target. Target ga included. Population demakda sonini ko'paytirmoqchiman. A current goal of recovery plan is hozirgi maqsad nima ekan? Is to maintain an involvement of kimlarni jalb qilish. Engage. Fully engage. Involvement ga synonim. Maintain. Continue. Ensure. Deganga synonim. Stakeholders javob bo'ladi. Stakeholderlarni ular jalb qilish kerak bo'lganda, hozirgi maqsadi jalb qilish. Manfaatdor shaxslarni mana shu qushni himoya qilish uchun jalb qilish asosiy hozirgi maqsad bo'ladi. Hozirgi maqsadi shu. Menimcha mana shu javoblarimiz to'g'ri. Biz buni bitta tekshiramiz. Test 3. Testimiz 3. Birinchisi bulbs. To'g'ri oldikmi? Bulbs. Ya, birinchi to'g'ri. Soil 2, feathers 3. Ya, 3 tugani 9. 10 diye to'g'ri. 11 1980 yil kerak edi, boya aytdim. Year in the year degani qaranglar, yil kerak edi bizga. 12. Voy, 12 noto'g'ri ekan. 12 noto'g'ri ekan. 12 population emas ekan. Ichcha shoshilibman o'sha 12 da. 12 da funding ekan. Ko'ramiz. Funding degan joyini ko'rdim. Mana aytdi ekanda. Advisor group called the Cocoa Scientific Technique Advisor Committee and a higher amount of funding. Higher amount ga sinonim bo'ladi an increasing. Funding ekan. Funding. Mana shu joyni tashlab ketdim-da boya, o'qimadim. Was launched together with a special advice group covered the cover and technical advice and a higher amount of funding. Higher amount. Recovery plan o'z ichiga olgan an increasing. A higher amount an increasing ga sinonim bo'ladi. Va uni yonidagi so'z funding. Yeah, it's true. Funding to'g'ri. Synonym qidirmadim. It's my fault, I think. It's my mistake. So it was the answers. Tarjimaga qaraymiz. Synonym qidiramiz asosan. Sinonimga ishlaymiz. Sog' bo'linglar, charchamanglar.